Okay, so guys, this is how to fix not opening on NBA Live mobile game. So if your mobile game or if your NBA mobile game is not really opening when you try to tap on it to open it, then do this. First of all, head straight to your phone menu. Try to search for your settings app. When you find it, just tap on it to open it. After that, try to search for apps or apps and notification. It depends on the device you are using to tap on apps and notification. After that, what you have to do next is to tap on see your apps. So let's wait for it to load. So after loading, you're going to see it. So as you can see, it has appeared over here. So let's tap on it, see your apps. After that, you're going to see your apps listed over here. So now tap on the search apps at the top right corner, then tap on it again. Now search for NBA, and you are going to find this app. So let's tap on NBA Live. So when you tap on the NBA Live mobile, tap on first stop, then you tap on OK, tap on mobile data and Wi-Fi or mobile data and restriction on other devices. So now toggle the background data on. After that, go back, turn on the notifications. The show notification must be on. Now tap on storage and cache, clear the cache. If you've already cleared the cache and it's not working, tap on clear storage. So after doing all this, what you have to do is to tap on your phone menu and try to check the latest update on Google Play Store or App Store. So when you have the latest update, what you have to do is to tap on the power button for some while, tap on restart, then you tap on OK to restart your devices. So after doing this is going to be fixed successfully, because sometimes when you've not restart your device for some while, sometimes it may applies to some of the apps, and it may let it crash or stop working or something like that. Thank you very much for watching this. See you in the next one.